Okay, we are testing the Schmitt Trigger with a 100 hertz sine wave with a V peak to peak of 4 volts, and the output is a square wave because effectively the Schmitt Trigger just decides if something is higher or lower and then forces it to one rail or the other. It's a non-inverting Schmitt Trigger, so you can see when it goes high, that's when the square wave and the sine wave peaks are in phase. Now I'd like to show you the XY plot of this. So press menu and scroll that to XY, and there it is that you can see the input and the output, and you can clearly see those trigger points. Now of course I always like to zoom in on things. Okay, so I'm zooming the x-axis, now I'm zooming the y-axis and moving it up. And because we're so kind of spread out, and I'm not quite sure if the camera can see it, that the transitions are kind of hard to see. But if you press display and then there's persist, it will just kind of keep a track of everything you've done, and you can see that. And if you want to get rid of that, you can press clear persist and then it comes again. And the scale on the input is 500 millivolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ish, right, is going to be that 2 volts peak to peak trigger point, or -1 and +1. And so you have to do plus and -2, or if you modified it from there. But this one was great. It only took me 5 minutes to do. Hopefully you'll have the same easy time.